The morning sun paints the day, the waiting shore welcomes the waves, the wind and trees, new songs create, all to bring you glory. The autumn cool turns the leaves, the river runs to join the sea, the lily blooms, the sparrow sings, all to bring you glory. So how much more can I tell of who you are, when jealously you sought me out and won my heart, and now by love redeemed I tell my story, all to bring you glory. A promise kept to Abraham, a sea that turned into dry land. The prophet's words revealed your plan, all to bring you glory. Across the world